Dear students, now we see about genetically engineered foods. What is GM foods? GM means genetically modified. Genetically modified foods are foods derived from organisms whose genetic material has been modified in a way that does not occur naturally. For example, through the introduction of a gene from a different organism. The technology is often called modern biotechnology or GN technology, recombinant DNA technology, or genetic engineering. This slide shows how crops are genetically modified. Here mentioned four methods. First one is traditional breeding, mutagenesis, RNA interference, transgenics. In traditional breeding, crossing plants and selecting offspring. In mutagenesis, the seeds are exposed to certain chemicals or certain radiation. In RNA interference, switching of selected genes with RNA. In transgenics, inserting selected genes using recombinant DNA methods. Nowadays, scientists can transfer genes from one organism to another unrelated organisms, producing what is now known as genetically modified organisms or transgenic animal or plant. For example, gene taken from one animal source which is introduced into the plant source, what is the result? The formation of result is called GM food or genetically modified organism. This slide shows some history about the genetically modified organisms. Transgenic plants were first created in the early of 1980s by three groups working independently. In 1983, first transgenic plants was created. 1990, first BT corn plants was created. 1992, first field test was trialed, and 1993 delay ripening tomato commercialized in the US. 1994 rotting resistant tomato approved by FDA. In 1995 herbicide resistant insect resistant plants were commercialized. 1997 GM maize was approved by EU. Why produce GM foods? From economical and agricultural standpoint, it is advantageous to grow crops that have higher yield or improved quality, pest or disease resistant, or tolerance to heat, cold and droughts. Desirable genes may provide means for plants to combat these conditions. Traditionally, combining the desirable genes in one plant is a long and laborious process involving crossing one plant to another plant of the same species or related species. The development of transgenic technology, that is genetic engineering technology, allows useful genes from various living sources to be brought together in a relatively simple manner. What is DNA? DNA is a molecule of life. It contains all the instructions to make an organism. What is genetically modified foods? It is also called GMO. Involves the insertion of genes from one organism to another, or modification of an organism's DNA in order to achieve a desired trait. For example, the gene taken from the Arctic fish of DNA, which is introduced into the plant source, that is called, which is introduced into the plant species strawberry fruit. As a result, the strawberry fruit get the desired character like resistant to frost. Examples of GMO. First one is golden rice, BT corn, herbicide resistant plants. Genetically modified grapes. This slide shows how genetically modified grapes are produced. First, before we go into this topic, first we must know about what is Bacillus thuringiensis, what is Agrobacterium tumefaciens, what is GeneCan method. Bacillus thuringiensis is an insecticidal bacterium. It control of many important plant pests, mainly caterpillars of the Lepidoptera. Agrobacterium tumefaciens causes ground caul disease by first transferring part of its DNA into an opening into the plant. The DNA then integrates itself into the plant's genome and causes the formation of the gall. GeneCan. It is a method of inserting genes into cells in the bioholistic particle delivery system or gene can. This slide shows the disease caused by the rootworm, black gutworm. So what are requirements? Baseless thuringiensis, Bt gene, Agrobacterium tumefaciens or gene can method. This slide shows how our GM grafts are made. Here mention two methods. First one is Agrobacterium tumefaciens method, that is Agrobacterium method. Second one is particle gun method. In Agrobacterium method, Agrobacterium tumefaciens contains the plasmids, that is called a DA plasmid. DA means tumor inducing. The DA plasmid which is integrated with the desired character, which contains the desired character gene, which is cultivated, which is co-cultivation of Agrobacterium with plant species. In particle gun method, the particles coated with the DNA encoding desired genes. Like a gun, it is a bombardment of plant pieces with particles. As a result of the above methods, the desired gene was inserted into the plant genome, which is integrated in the DNA. It is integrated into the chromosome of DNA. Next, we go to the callus culture. During the callus culture, the cell was each single cell was multiplied, which contains the desired character. After that, we go to the shoot regeneration and root regeneration. Finally, we get the new plant, which contains the new trait, that is desired trait. Baseless thuringiensis, DNA cut including Bt gene. The blue color indicates the Bt gene. Similarly, the DA plasmids from the Agrobacterium tumefaciens DNA TA plasmids was extracted. So DNA and the TA plasmids are cut with same restriction endonuclease enzyme. So after that, the desired character DNA was which is incorporated into the TA plasmids. So the incorporated DNA plasmids again, which is placed into the Agrobacterium tumefaciens. So Agrobacterium tumefaciens was allowed to infect the plant cells. During the infection, the DA plasmids was inserted into the plant cells. So at the result of this process, the DA plasmid contains the DNA plasmid which is transferred to the tRNA, which contains the transferred DNA, which is incorporated into the plant genomic DNA, plant genome. So insert Bt genes is the plant chromosomes. So this slide shows the gene can. What are the various parts involved in the what are the various parts present in the gene can? So some examples of transgenic plants is Roundup Ready TM. TM is trademark soybean. This is a trademark name. So nowadays, in the agriculture field, in unwanted weeds are which reduce the yield. So we have to go to the herbicide resistant crops. So we have to be able to kill wide range of weeds and have to advantage to breaking down easily. So development of herbicide resistant crops allows the elimination of surrounding weeds without harm to the crops. So increase yield. So we are using the increase the oxygen absorption, efficient photosynthetic pathway, and increase starch biosynthesis. The insect resistant plant like the baseless thuringiensis genes, that is called the Cray genes. We are using Cray genes. We have resistant to various Lepidoptera species. Cold and dry. More than 120 million children in the world suffer from vitamin A deficiency. Cold and dry has the potential to help prevent the 1 to 2 million deaths each year caused by deficiency in this vitamin. So similarly, virus-resistant crops also developed. How common are GM foods? This list shows that some 48 foods have been approved by the used by the Canadian Food Inspection Agency. Potential benefits, potential harmful environmental hazards. So it is improved farming, cheaper food, more food, reducing world hunger and improving world health. Also contains some environmental hazards. It reduces the effectiveness of pesticides by as insects become resistant to engineered toxins. Loss of biodiversity. Potential to human health. In GM foods, it cause certain kinds of allergens to some people. So economic hazard, elimination of competition. GM foods are patented suicide seeds that plants with the sterile seeds that are infertile are created. So each and every time the farmers are forced to buy seeds every year. Thank you.